Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this Volkswagen approved used Golf GTI Performance, which is a 2-litre petrol automatic finished in a pure white paint. This is an additional option on this GTI. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So beginning a 360-degree walk around and starting at the front. A fantastic benefit on this Golf GTI does include your LED lights, including your LED daytime running lights, ensuring you have maximum efficiency during all weather conditions. Next, taking you around, we have these incredible 19-inch Brescia alloy wheels with the red brake calipers, making the car look really sporty. This is an additional option on this Golf GTI. And then as we move further down the vehicle, you'll notice we do have your rear tinted glass, again making the car look really sporty, as well as filtering out too much sunlight to keep the car's temperature regulated. Next, showing you a glance inside the interior. So we do have your Titan black Vienna leather with the red piping and contrast stitching. This is another additional option on this fantastic model. As you can see, we've got plenty of space available for your rear passengers. Make your way to the back. Another great feature does include your rear parking camera, as well as the additional support from your sensors to ensure parking is incredibly easy. Next, showing you a quick boot highlight. You will not be disappointed as we have plenty of space to cater for your daily needs, such as your weekly shopping trips. You'll notice your floor is also variable, so we can increase the capacity. The current mileage of this Golf GTI is 11,730 miles. And then showing you a glance inside the front interior, we are equipped with your leather multi-function steering wheel, followed by your heated front sport seats that feature lumbar support, which is an additional option, offering you and your front passenger the most comfortable and desirable experience every single time you step foot inside the car. Then we do also have your panoramic sunroof, which is another fantastic additional option, really brightening up the interior. That does conclude a 360-degree walk around. So in the next part of the video, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside the car, we have your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments available, as well as the central locking positioned in the driver's door. Then we do also have your automatic lights, which is a great benefit to have if you're someone who forgets to turn them on. Then moving on to your multi-function steering wheel. So this is GTI embossed. It does feature the red contrast stitching fitting in with the theme. So here we can access some of the car's features directly, which does include your adaptive cruise control. And then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customise what you want to see in your active information display screen, where you find all your key driver information and settings. So this is designed to further enhance your driving experience. We can see different things such as your satellite navigation, as well as your driving data, as well as your audio and Bluetooth telephone connect. Then moving on to your infotainment system, where we can access all the car's different functionalities. So this is touchscreen. We have your shortcut buttons down either side. So I'll just go through some of the options that are available. So firstly, we have access to your DAB, FM and AM radio. Another fantastic feature, as I did mention, is your Bluetooth Connect, allowing to make hands-free calls. We have your app connection, so you can pair your phone to the car to stream your phone apps, such as your music, maps, contacts and messages. We do also have your driving mode selection. So we have your preset options to choose your driving style, which will further enhance your experience. Another great feature on this car is your rear parking camera, as well as additional support from your front and rear parking sensors to help with them tight manoeuvres and help to keep your new car nice and safe. Another added benefit is your 2-zone climate control, offering you and your front passenger individual airflow to ensure you're both always comfortable and save any future arguments. You can access this via the screen or the controls just below. And then we have your 3-point front heated seating as part of the winter pack to make sure you're nice and cozy. Just below, we do have a USB port to charge meter devices on the move. As you can see, we've got your keyless start. This car is automatic. We do also have electronic park brake with auto hold for additional ease for the driver, a 12-volt socket, got some handy cup holders and a storage armrest. Then finally, giving you another quick highlight in your panoramic sunroof. So just above, you can locate the controls to easily open and close the roof. And when the sun glare gets that bit too much, we do have access to your sun blind as well. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Golf GTI Performance, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.